In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix, okay, the link. If you want to link your own name, right, to have a clickable link like this, right, and you will see that it says that cannot be mentioned. Your name cannot be mentioned, can't be mentioned. How do you fix it? Okay, how do you fix it? How do you get a clickable link to your own profile like this? Okay, it's basically you just go to your section over here under your me and your LinkedIn, and then you go to settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. You scroll down. Okay, so here, okay, visibility. Okay, it's here. Visibility. Go to mentions or text and make sure this is turned on. It was actually turned off. You need to turn it on. Okay, then it will allow it to mention. So you can actually use the add function. Let me go back. For example, let me create a post. Okay, so like this, and then I put my name, Janice, and then click on this. Then this will become a clickable link. Okay, this will become a clickable link where people can view me and click on me. And that's how to get a clickable link. So it's basically just this. You must make sure that the add mention be click. So you just put your name and then click your profile. Then it will become a clickable link. That's how to get a clickable link in your post. That's it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.